Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a Pretty Little Thing haul with the collection by Molly May, as she's the new creative UK director for Pretty Little Thing. I'm very excited about this collection. I've literally ripped the bag open already to see the pieces, because I wanted to obviously feel the materials and stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like linen, and all the pieces are linen, which it's just a preference thing. I like materials that are really clean, very, very crisp. Linen creases a lot, and I don't really like that. However, I'm going to show you the pieces. I'm going to show you how I'm going to style them, and we'll get into it. So first, I have this olive blazer. It's got shoulder pads on the side. It's got one button in the colour. It's got side detail pockets, and yeah, I think this is meant to be a little bit oversized. I actually got this in a size 8 just because I want it to form nicely on my upper body. I've got the matching trousers to it, which are wide leg. Really, really nice. I love this olive Kermit the Green, Kermit the Frog type colour. Really, really nice. And I think this colour is quite nice to transition into autumn winters, because you can match this with a lot of creams, ivories, browns, as obviously summer was irrelevant. Next piece, sorry, it's my cat. Anyway, next piece, I've got this wrap top, and I've got the skirt to match, which I really love this colour. I think this colour is just, it just says, I want to wig this colour, but I just love this. It's lime, it's bright, it's a wrap top. This can be styled by itself. You don't even have to wear it with the skirt, which is here. But I just love the detail in it. I think it's so I got the top in a size 8, and the arm area was completely too tight. I couldn't move it whatsoever. My boobs were pushed together, not how Molly May displayed it. The skirt, however, was a size 10, which fit perfectly. But overall, although this set was amazing, it wasn't perfect on me. So good. So nice. This actually doesn't feel like linen. This, I don't know what material this one is. Yeah, so this is 100% polyester. This material feels a lot nicer. It feels like it won't just crease when you sit down in it. Love this. Can't wait to see how that goes. Next, this is the mushroom grey 2-piece that she has. I really love this. These are wide leg trousers. Again, I love anything that comes in a cord. This material is linen, and then I've got the halter neck. I've got these both in a size 10, by the way, and the other pieces I got in a size 10 too. This is the halter neck top. I feel like I should have got an 8 in this. It just looks really big at the minute, but who knows, once we try it on, that might, it might just do what it needs to do. This is not from the collection. This is just something that was on sale on Pretty Little Thing, but because I love the phrase baby girl so much, I've got this baby girl t-shirt, and I just love it, and it just makes me very happy. Baby girl, that's me. So yeah, this is definitely something that can just be styled with everything, and I'll probably do it with jeans. You could obviously wear heels, trainers. It's very versatile. Festivals, chilling, Netflix, who cares. And then I got this dress from the collection, which again is linen, so I'm not a big fan of that, because look at it, you can see already from opening it from the package, it's just really, really creased. It's got an open back, and hopefully it will look better on. I'm not really convinced about this one. And like with linen, I feel like before I put it all on, like I have to really steam it all just to make sure that it looks good. But hey, you never know. And lastly, this piece is not from the collection. This was just on sale. And like, I'm the type of person, like when I see things on sale for like £5, £6, I think, just get it, just put it in the basket, like what's the point? So this is, oh, a chocolate strappy midi dress. I've got it in a size 8. Clearly I don't know my size. And it's just nice, long, elegant. It's in a semi scuba material, but it's not see-through, and I really like that because I hate things that are see-through. This is a transitional piece because this will definitely, once it's layered, be good for autumn winter vibes, autumn winter dining. Like, this is a good investment, and it was only £6 on PRETTYLITTLETHING. So yeah, so guys, those are all the pieces, and I hope you like the way that I've styled them and you've enjoyed this haul. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Overall, with the pieces, I'm happy. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I like cords. I like the fact that they're cords pieces. However, I do feel like if it had come out earlier, it would have made sense, because now we're transitioning into autumn winter, and in the UK, even though this is in September, it's literally becoming so cold that I feel like we're going to have a really, really bad winter. So I would like to see a lot more like warmer layering pieces, just because bitch, it's going to be cold. Like, we know we're going to struggle. However, I really do like the lime green set. I really do like the olive set. I just wish the olive set was in a bit more of a formal material, just because linen is not for me. I do think the dress I will not keep because I do not like linen at all. That's just definitely not a bit of me. But the collection overall, like, it's beautiful to look at, and I think that she's done really, really well, but maybe not the right season. So I'm interested to see what she does for like autumn, winter, because I feel like the collection will be definitely a lot more jacket, knitwear inspired, and that would be the stuff that people want to definitely buy and definitely wear. If I'm going out, then yeah, a lot of these pieces are good for going out, but on their own, right now, not super amazing, but amazing nonetheless. So if you enjoyed that, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one.